and culture, I did Nitin Singhania sir's book. You can do that book, but not all the chapters. So there are certain chapters on cultural institutions, I did not do that. Certain chapters on fairs, festivals, I did not do that. Only the important chapters. For example, architecture, painting, theatre, dance, music. I did these chapters, very important. Literature and language, Buddhism and Jainism, Bhakti and Sufi. These are the chapters which you have to do selectively, and not every line in that book is important. I did not do. You cannot mug up all the facts from that book. It's very heavy. But art and culture is an interesting subject. If you revise, for example, I made a schedule that I'll revise one chapter of culture every day. It took me 20-30 minutes, and I could have been in a constant touch with culture. But for mains, you will have to refer to the diagrams that you can find in the market. You can find any notes. For mains, they will provide you sufficient diagrams. You have to use those diagrams.
Mukund, you come from Madhubani.
Yes,
Madhubani is very, very famous. Why?
Ma'am, Madhubani is very famous for Mithila painting, which is also known as Madhubani painting.
What are the unique features of that Madhubani painting?
Ma'am, Madhubani painting is a kind of folk painting, and its unique feature is that, ma'am, it has lot of geometrical patterns. For example, circle, square, and all those are used. Apart from that, ma'am, both natural as well as man-made synthetic colors are being used. So it makes it very attractive, ma'am. And in fact, recently Madhubani railway station was decorated with Mithila painting, and it got the award for the second most beautiful railway station in our country.
मेरा कहना यही है कि आप अगर कॉस्ट बेनिफिट देखोगे तो क्या होता है कि आप बहुत सारी बुक्स पढ़ोगे तो वो इतना यूज़फुल नहीं रहेगा। तो आप बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग एक आर्ट एंड कल्चर की ले लो, और उसके बाद वहाँ जाके आपको उसी चीज़ को इम्प्लीमेंट करना रहता है। क्योंकि अभी मैंने 5 साल से आर्ट एंड कल्चर पढ़ रहा हूँ, लेकिन अभी भी प्रीलिम्स में ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं जिसको मुझे पता ही नहीं होता है। कभी मैंने देखे ही नहीं। चैतन्य और फिर जैन का एक क्वेश्चन आया था, सेक्ट आया था। तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो आप नहीं वो कर सकते, तो उन पे इतना वेस्ट करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है। तो एक बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग आप ले लो NCERT से, बाकी उसको